Hello, friends, and welcome to the channel. You hear a lot about generative AI, but recently, you might be hearing a new term, multimodal AI or multimodal GenAI. It sounds very technical, very complex, right? But the truth is, it's a very simple idea, and it's what makes new AI so powerful. In this video, I am going to explain exactly what multimodal means with a very simple, clear example. So what does multimodal mean? Let's break it down. Mode just means a type of information. Text is one mode. Images are another mode. Audio is a third mode. Think about how we, as humans, understand the world. We don't just read text or just look at pictures. We do everything at once. We can watch a movie, which has video and sound, and then we can talk about it, which uses text or speech. We are naturally multimodal. Early AI was unimodal. That means it only worked with one mode. A chatbot only understood text. An image creator only understood images. They were separate. Multimodal AI is different. It's an AI that can understand, process, and combine different types of information all at the same time. It can see, read, and listen all in one system. Let's use a perfect, simple example to explain this. I call this the recipe example. Step 1. The input. Imagine you are in your kitchen. You have a few ingredients, an egg, a tomato, and a piece of bread. You take a picture of them with your phone. This is an image input. Then, you type a question to the AI. This is a text input. You type, "What can I make for breakfast with these?" So, you have given the AI two different modes at the same time, an image and text. Step 2, the processing. Now, the multimodal AI gets to work. First, it sees your image and its AI vision identifies the ingredients. Okay, I see an egg, a tomato, and bread. Second, it reads your text prompt. The user wants to make breakfast. The most important part is that it connects these two modes. It links the ingredients from the picture with the goal from your text. Step 3, the output. Based on both the image and the text, the AI generates a brand new output. It gives you a text answer like, "You have the perfect ingredients for tomato and egg toast. Toast the bread. Fry the egg and slice the tomato. Put the egg and tomato on the toast." Do you see what happened? A text-only AI could not do this because it could not see the ingredients in your picture. An image-only AI could not do this because it wouldn't understand your question. You needed a multimodal AI that could handle both. This is the key, taking one type of information and getting a different type of information out. This is the same technology used in other popular tools. When you type text to create an image, that is multimodal text to image. When you upload a video and ask the AI, "What was the funniest part?" that is multimodal video to text. So, to summarize, multimodal simply means the AI is no longer blind or deaf. It can use different senses, different modes, like text, images, and audio, all at once, just like we do. This is a huge step forward for making AI truly helpful. I hope this simple explanation helped you understand multimodal GenAI. If you are a student, this is a very important concept to know. What other AI topics do you want me to explain? Please leave your questions in the comments below. And if you found this video useful, please be sure to like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.